I have tried to record this like 6 or 7 times now, and every single time that I get started, I'm like 2 or 3 minutes in, and big loud things drive by on the street. So I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and record it. I apologize. We will be moving in a couple of months so that we'll no longer be living like literally where every single room that we have is right along where the busy street is running. So we're just going to get through it. Sorry. So anyway, moving along. Patient of mine mentioned to me that I should make this video because they have a friend who does DIY, and we were talking about like how, they can't get labs and stuff. But did you know that we actually do have a an option for people if they want to utilize our clinic to get labs. Now it's in most states you could do this, but not quite all of them. I'll explain. Um, but anyway, it is an option on our website that I'm going to try and do a screen sharing and show you where it is and how to access it and everything in case you're interested or you know somebody else who's interested, whatever the case may be. But the breakdown is that basically we reached out to this company called Full Scripts. They do a whole bunch of stuff, but one of the things they do is they hook up with Quest Diagnostics, which is a national lab company. And they kind of make it easier for certain clinics and whatnot to get their labs ordered and make it a little bit more in the patient's hands, how they can order it and whatnot. And if I was to do this for my own clinic to where I kind of take it out of my hands a lot of times for the ordering of labs, then it's basically like I would tell the patient, hey, you're going to need this lab, and this lab. So go, order it under our account online or whatever, and you can get it done again at a Quest facility, which is why I don't utilize that much, is because we have more LabCorp locations here in Mississippi than we do Quest, although we do have some Quest located here. But anyway, so we tend to default towards LabCorp whenever I'm ordering, and we have a partnership with them as well for our clinic patients and everything to get good low-cost labs. But anyway, so back to FullScript, who uses Quest and kind of puts it through us because they have to have a clinic to put, the orders under and whatnot to kind of put it up and show people where it is. Sorry, I'm just like trying to function this morning and I can't even apparently speak. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and try to screen share. And y'all remember, I'm not great at video editing or literally anything to do with technology. So let's see what happens. Let's see. So it gives me my options. Okay. And here's that. That should be good. And then share. It looks like it worked. Hope it did. Anyway, so this is our website, the first page. I know it's not super impressive. I used Wix.com and designed it myself. So that's why it's so herky-jerky and just kind of meh, I apologize. It's not, it's no professional did this. It was literally me, and y'all know how stupid I am about tech stuff. So anyway, so you go on our first page and there's a tab here, DIY Labs, or if you're on mobile, I think if you just open up the menu for the site, it's there. I think it's also, yeah, there's also this here. So if you are DIY and you're interested in getting lab work done, you click there. It's going to give you some instructions here on how to get this done. It's also going to tell you which states here and here that it is not available in, and that's because these states, for whatever reason, decided that you need to see a medical provider either in person or via telemedicine, and for them to order the labs then. Um, I don't know, maybe they had a good reason for that, or maybe they're just still trying to have, shackles on people not being able to take hold of their own health care. I feel like, I know there are people out there who probably order all kind of labs and not know what to do with them and misinterpret them and stuff, but that's why then there are healthcare providers you could bring those results to, see them, whatever, and ask them about it. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so like I said, maybe they had a good reason, maybe not. So those states can't do this, but all the others in the US you can. This is not for international people. Sorry, I know we have international folks out there, but I haven't figured that one out. If anyone has an idea, how I could get orders out for international people, then hey, go ahead, let me know. So anyway, you'll see here where it says submit the request. It'll get reviewed because like sometimes people order labs that have the same type of labs in them. And so we want to, it's gonna, we want to prevent you from paying for labs that you don't need. Then you'll get an email after that saying it'll be from FullScript, and it'll say, okay, so here's the labs you're ordering, here's the pay button, and you click it and go online and pay and whatever. And then yeah, so you receive your lab order back from them after you paid, and go to a Quest Diagnostic Center, which it'll have a search link and everything. You can find your closest location. Once the results are in, they're going to send you an email notification with a link to go into your portal where you'll have already created a password and everything so you can, access your lab results. So yay. This is what it looks like down here. I would advise using your legal name here just because one of the ways that lab facilities may choose to identify you rather than just having you orally say, my name is this and my date of birth is this, is they may take your ID, whether that's a driver's license or a state ID or whatever, they may just take that and look at the name and date of birth there. And if it doesn't match what's on the orders, then they may refuse to do the draw. So I would play it safe and put your legal name, but do what you want. Anyway, and then of course your email because we need somewhere to be able to send the information to you. Phone number, we're not going to be like calling you or spam texting you or anything like that. That's just one of those things that FullScript prefers in case there's something crazy going on with your lab results or something, then they could both email and call you. But I mean, we're not going to like freak out if you didn't put a phone number there. Um, Anyway, and then you'll see the list of labs and they'll have their prices out to the side. Now, keep in mind, before you get excited over a $4 blood count or a $11 estradiol, there will be a total of like a $35 fee added on to your total that you order, and that's, their lab draw fee and processing fee or whatever. So keep in mind, this is, $4 plus $35. But that's, not $35 per lab. No, that would be crazy. So if you ordered, CBC, CMPs, $12, then you would add $35 to that so that it would be $47 total. Or, if you ordered just an estrone, then you would add that $20 estrone to $35. Now you got $55. Maybe you want to add a T onto that. So now it's a total of $65. I hope that made sense, but it's just that it's a one $35 fee. So anyway, hopefully this helps people. DIY folks, I'm really trying to help y'all out. If you got any other ideas that we can legally do throw that at us, but know that this is another piece to the puzzle that you can utilize to get your own labs done through a Quest center. Generally speaking, these are pretty decent lab prices, I have to say, even with that $35 fee added on to the total. So anyways, hope this helps somebody out there. I'm gonna quit sharing the screen here so I can just say goodbye to everybody and just stay safe. Spread this knowledge to anybody you think would like it. All right. Stay safe. Bye.